In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just in one single month promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission. For beginners, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, I made this commission just in one single month, in the month of March, from the first day of March, okay, until the last day of March, okay, 31. Let's click on update, and here you go. The numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate account dashboard. I'm not showing you a screenshot, okay, as you can see. And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $3,120 available. I will still get more commission. It can be up to 10k or 12k this month again. So anyways, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and you just need to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So just scroll down, go to community, and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, and you can make a lot of money. So just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country over here. Choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube. And I will share with you my method that I'm using to find a profitable services. Okay, so what you will do, go and open your YouTube homepage. Okay, because we will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, so what you will do, so why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors. Okay, that's really a big number, guys. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, product topics on YouTube, and you can get so much traffic from YouTube for free if you do it correctly. Okay, as you can see, 32 billion monthly visitors, it's a really big number, and YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. Okay, so anyway, so what you will do to find a good and profitable services, click over here on the search and ask question. So let's ask, for example, how to design, for example, website. Okay, you can ask any question you want, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. You can ask how to make, how to create, how to do, how to design, and so much more, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. This is a report search prediction. As you can see, that's what people are searching for. People are searching for how to design websites in Figma, how to design websites on Shopify, how to design websites in WordPress. So let's take, for example, this topic. So what you will do, you will go back to your homepage on Fiverr, click on the search for design website. Okay, search for this service related to this topic that people are searching for on YouTube. Search for design website, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews, top rated seller, level 1, level 2, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the reviews of those sellers. If they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. So for example, I will choose this one. This one has a lot of reviews, I will click on his service, okay, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has a lot of reviews, 15 orders in queue, so people are buying this service, okay, as you can see, okay, people who are interested to design WordPress website, they are buying this service. As you can see, the seller has a lot of orders in queue. So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. This seller has a video that's really good. Okay, so what you will do, double click on the video, click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop, okay? I'm gonna name it website design. Click on save, okay? After you finish, go back to Google, search for Canva like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and it's for free, of course. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video. You will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload this this video that you download from Fiverr website design. Okay, open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points. Click on set video as background like this. Click on text. Scroll down. Choose which text style you want to use. I will use this one. So just click on the text style. I will delete this second one and I will decrease the font size of this text and put this text here. Double click on this text and write the sentence: check link in my description. Okay, like this. And here you go. Put this video here, put this title here. Click on elements, scroll down, click over here on ship and click on color, choose black color and put this ship behind your text like this. And here you go. And click on your video, click on volume and just decrease the background music to 0. Okay, we don't want any background music. Let's check this video now. So the video is really looking good, explaining the service of this seller. He will design a website for those people who are searching for how to design a website to make it professional and branding. And as you can see, looking good. This is his examples. Okay, it's really looking good. Click on share and click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel. It's for free. You just need to use your email address and put this title for your YouTube video: how to design website in WordPress. Exactly like this. You should use those keywords that people are using to search for this topic. Okay, and in your YouTube description, put your affiliate link from here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here or from here. If you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, you should see this Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. I have old Fiverr affiliate account. That's why I see you are seeing this Fiverr CPA old plan. Okay, so for you, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. People who will watch your video, they will see this: check link in my description. They will find your YouTube, they will check your YouTube description, they will find your affiliate link, they will click, if they click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr like this. Click on request to order or order over here. Buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission, and that's it. Promote services that are related to topics that people are searching for on YouTube, and you can start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and for people who don't know exactly how to do it, how to add your affiliate link in your YouTube description, how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, I will leave a link in my description below for a video, guys, that will show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, and that's it. See you in my next video.